Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So, tatry ko tong GoPro Hero 9 ko. So, mamaya is pupunta kami ni Freddy sa, sa sledding hill. So, surprise ko siya. Hindi niya alam na pupunta kami doon. Bye-bye! Hi guys! We're here now at the sled hill. So, Freddy is here. So, hi Fred!
Hi!
Okay. Who's first? Can you move? I'm in the back. Really? Freddy, careful ah.
Okay.
Wait lang. Where are you gonna put my Wait. Too bad. Can I try myself?
Wait.
Okay.
Let's do.
Then you hold that thing, ah.
Come on!
Jeez, Fred, hold me! Oh my God! Fred! Fred, woo! Ay, ka! Napagod ako! Go! Ang hard umakyat, diba? There's Freddy! Say hi, Fred!
Hi!
Ayoko na, ikaw na lang mag-isa kasi ang hirap umakyat.